Just look at that. That is chicken supreme made. Hi everyone, welcome to Backyard Chef. I'm Rick. Today we are doing chicken supreme. Easy recipe. We're using chicken breast. We're not using the chicken breast cut off with a bit sticking out with a bone. Forget all that nonsense. We're using regular chicken breast, but we do have skin on. You can use skinless. You can still do the same. There's not a worry. A little bit of preparation. Smash some garlic, chop some onions, parsley, mushrooms, season our chicken, fry. Let's crack on. We'll do the onions first. Now we want small-ish dices. Now it doesn't really matter at all how big they are, you know. You're going to pan fry it. It depends what you want in your sauce. So you can go as small as you like. It's up to you. Garlic, a little bit of a smashing. Don't have to go too crazy with this. A little turning over with your knife. Now you could really mince this up small with a mincer if you so wish. You know, on this channel, we're not worried about things like that. Garlic, done. We're just going to do some parsley while it's here on the board. In there. Mushrooms. Slice, dice, cube, whatever you fancy. But we are making a mushroom sauce, so they really do need to be quite reasonably sliced. In there. Prep done. Chicken breast. When it comes to chicken breast, you always season the chicken breast. So a bit of salt on there, a bit of black pepper on there, turn it over, salt up that side, a bit of pepper on there. We want a little bit of flour on there. And on there. And that's going to stick a little bit in the pan. However, it's going to help us form a sauce as well as crisp up the chicken. Put a nice little bit of colour on that chicken. Always make sure your hands are clean after handling chicken. The first job, olive oil in there, about 4 tablespoons in there with some butter. And we have a flame on. Take your chicken, skin side down. Now flame not too high for this. We're trying to put a decent brown colouring on that chicken, and then we'll flip it over and put another brown colouring on this side. Now you can flip it 2 or 3 times if you want. You don't have to pretend to be professional and cook it one side, turn it over, cook it, take it out. Make sure you cook the chicken to how you like. Okay, I'm not going to be professional and try and pretend they're going to cook all the way through like that. We're going to flip them, we're going to flip them back again. There you go. Start them off on the other side, nice and gently. And if we have to turn them on the side a little bit, we will do, because these are quite thick chicken breasts. Make it simple for yourself to cook and enjoy. And you can see there, by seasoning the chicken and then dusting in flour, you can see our seasoning is stuck on there. You know, if you season the flour, chuck the chicken in the flour, chuck it in there, you leave half the seasoning in the flour. This way you've got seasoned chicken. Okay, so we're just bringing the two chicken breasts together there. You know, we're just cooking around the side just a little bit. It's nice and easy. These are quite thick. They're a good 1.5 inches thick, these chicken breasts. Okay, when you've got a nice bit of colour on there like that, we take that out of there. I'm going to put that to rest. Now, there's nothing much to deglaze in there. Garlic, onions, very quick. Now, there's many ways to make chicken supreme. You can make like a bechamel sauce, or you can do it a cheats way, which we're going to do today. We're not making a sauce. Well, we are, but we're only using cream and chicken stock. So we're going to cook everything down so the chicken cooks in the pan. It doesn't have to be a quick cook, this one. I'm also going to go in there with a pinch of dry thyme. That's going to get that flavour in there. The dryness is going to rehydrate amongst those onions. In there with the mushrooms. Let the mushrooms soak up that butter and oil. Season to taste. I'm just going in with some pepper. I'm not bothered about the salt, to be honest. You know, there's going to be enough salt in the chicken stock, and we did put a little bit on the chicken. In fact, I'll change my mind, look. That's what cooking's about, change your mind. So it was only a little bit, and it will draw out some of the moisture from those mushrooms. In there with a little bit of wine. Now, you don't have to use wine, you could just use chicken stock, not a problem. So let's start cook that down a little minute in there, and then we're going to add our chicken stock and our cream in there with some parsley just now. We're going to keep a little bit back for when we mix up the cream. In there with some chicken stock. And then we want to be going in there with some cream. Now, it's as much cream as you want. We're making a creamy sauce. So it's just nice and steady, look. And then we're returning our chicken to the pan. Turn down a little bit, and we need to just cook that chicken in there and thicken that sauce just a little bit. Now, taste. What have we got going on? Oh, knockout. Absolutely knockout. Wow. A little bit of pepper. That's for my flavouring. I like that little bit of pepper. Okay, and when you've got your sauce thick enough, it's time to serve. This is an easy cook. Unbelievable. Now, you could actually put your parsley in there, stir it in, or you could save your parsley to go over when you serve up. Up to you. Just look at that. That is chicken supreme made. That is superb. Look at that. Oh, chicken supreme made. Let's get in here. Straight in here on this chicken. Oh, we got a bit of a crispy top. Oh, oh, look at that. Incredible. Chicken is beautiful. Oh, wow. That is a really nice mushroom flavour through that creamy sauce. That is delicious. And that chicken is cooked all the way through. That is superb. Well, I mean, look how moist that chicken is. Look there. Can you see that? You see that fluid? That is how moist that chicken is. That is 100% perfectly cooked. Lovely. Good job. Got lucky there then, didn't we? We got lucky there then, didn't we? Chicken's perfectly cooked. Oh. If you like what we're doing, don't forget, smash that like and subscribe, share with your friends, all that kind of stuff. We'll catch you in the next video.